someone.
He's just having his own show.
Play a solo.
Woo! His own world.
Now you're really out. You were the first take we ever had, and you won't be the last. Keep that up.
Don't even.
Nah, we're gonna play a little cover song. And I hate to tell you, it's not going to be Pour Some Sugar on Me. I know, I wanted to, but I couldn't get away to.
Yeah, I just refused.
He wasn't willing to have the red surgery.
I wasn't going to say anything. I was like, leave that line alone. But
Matt, I wasn't going to go there.
yeah, I wasn't.
But then it's good you got me around. Totally.
You can play that song with one hand tied behind your back.
Give it to you.
Hi-oh.
I'm just going to keep hounding you to play that. Eventually you will.
Probably, no, you keep hounding me, eventually I won't. For what? What is it, karaoke?
Yeah!
In that case, luckily we picked this next song because we love doing it karaoke. It's a song out, you guys like Stone Temple Pilots. 1.5 people do, which Brian, you're back in, buddy. We need the numbers.
STP was my band back in the day.
Awesome. Yeah,
This is your chance.
they're one of our favorite bands. Speaking of karaoke, you feel like doing some singing?
I don't know, everyone might run out after.
It's okay. We'll sing along with you.
I'm about to sleep on now.
This one's called Interstate Love Song.
Sorry.